Hello friends, welcome back to Reviews by Dennis. My name is Dennis and I'm here to tell you about a great new item. This is the AncordWorks AW07 wireless Bluetooth speaker. This is an IPX7 water resistant speaker. This is the box that it comes in. As you see right away that it's a very compact speaker. See right there. It's a very powerful little speaker. I mean, it's not going to blow your eardrums or anything because it is, it is obviously not a, like a really big amplified speaker, but it is, a nice compact, powerful little speaker. If you're looking for any of the specs and information from it, I'm not going to make this a really long video for that. If you're looking for all the information that goes along with it to really help you decide if this item is right for you, you might want to check out my full review at my Blogspot site. That's at reviewsbydennis.blogspot.com. That'll give you a full write-up, some close-up pictures from all the all the feature buttons, all the stuff on the sides here where you plug it in and stuff like that, just to help make this video a little bit short and sweet. But I think this is a really great product, and I wanted to bring it to your attention. It is water resistant, providing you keep your charging port area, plug area closed when you aren't, when you're in the water with it and stuff like that. It does have a nice carrying strap. If you don't have really large hands, you'll be able to use that without a problem. I can almost fit my hands right in there, but as you see, I have really large hands, so they don't fit in there. It does have a nice mounting bracket on the bottom there. I was able to put it on the tripod that my camera's on right now. So if you have mounting brackets and stuff like that, you could mount one of these into an area to help utilize audio sound options that you may want to use. It does come with a 3.5 audio cable as well as the charging cable. It comes with the instruction manual and the unit itself. It doesn't take long to charge it. The charging capacity lasts for hours, and it's like I said, really nice and compact, so it don't take up much space. It has really good sound, and I think it's a good item, and I wanted to bring it to your attention. Again, if you want to check out the full review, you can check that out at my reviewsbydennis.blogspot.com. And thanks for stopping by at Reviews by Dennis. Have a great day. Bye-bye.